So let me tell y'all, I went to the grocery store today, minding my own sweet business, and they said these were on sale. It was 3 sprigs of parsley, and I'm like, sale? So I came home and I harvested my own parsley that we had been growing. This is what you call a sale to me. A sale where I can buy one plant and I can continue to get so many harvests off of this very one plant. So then I got to walking around my garden. I said, you know what? I'm going to harvest some of this sage next because I'm noticing that it's about to go to flower. And sometimes when your herbs go to flower, it can sometimes alter the taste. But I'm like, okay, I have this sage that is so absolutely beautiful. And then if you've watched our other videos, we started this creeping thyme from seed. And so now that it's starting to warm back up, we're starting to get lots of new growth on here. But we harvest thyme all the time. And then one of my favorite is cilantro, y'all. You get a 2-for-1 plant. You get the cilantro, the leaves, and then you get coriander when it flowers, and you can continue to plant this again and again. And so here is some more thyme that we have in the garden where we can harvest whenever we get ready. We don't have to wait till a sale is on at the grocery store. And this is our lemon thyme, which I love using in a lot of our seafood dishes because it adds a really great flavor. So after my walkthrough of the different herbs that we're growing in the garden, if you watched one of our videos, I'll make sure that I link it. We actually bought some lavender in which I want to get ready to plant today. Y'all, so I had started opening the bag and I was like, wait a minute, I gotta share this with y'all. I want y'all to see exactly what I am seeing. So I'm gonna link the video to where this is what I picked up at Costco. Should I have picked it up? Nope. But I always like to try new things. Y'all know I tell you this all of the time. I have actually grown lavender from seed. It is, for me, a really slow grower. So oftentimes I'll propagate lavender or I will already buy like the transplant. And I've had a lot of people to contact me because we're in coastal Georgia, and lavender is one of those plants where sometimes it comes back for me and sometimes it doesn't. It likes a Mediterranean environment, and sometimes the humidity here can cause it to not do as well. But I love growing lavender because some things that I will do with lavender is I will put it in my tea. It's great for relaxation. Now, I don't like it heavy in my tea, but I do like a what you would call like an undertone in my tea. You can also make sachets with lavender, put them up under your pillow to help you relax. So I love lavender. The bees, the pollinators love lavender. I love smelling lavender. I love running my hands through lavender. So this is what we are going to experiment right here today. So there are 3 lavenders in here. So I'm going to just show you what I have came across so far. So there's 3 lavenders and it comes in a bag like this. So I'm assuming we're going to see right now. It's kind of like it's a plant. So I thought it was like maybe a bare root, but let me show you how it comes. So it comes like this. So they're just 3 lavender plants. Interesting, really interesting. I'm glad I bought this. Okay, so they have the band on here. So basically what I'm going to do, you get 3 of these, is I am going to rinse this off really well because it comes in these bags, and you can pretty much pot these up. That's neat. It's like 3 lavender plants. Okay, glad I showed you all. So let me get this cleaned up because basically all we're going to do is pop these off, and this seems to be the root of it. I'm going to take these off, and honey, we just gonna get some potting soil and we're gonna pot this up. That's really neat. I thought they were bare root and didn't have the leaves, but as you can see, they do have the leaves on here. So let's give this a good washing, because yes, it smells so good. It smells good. And again, this is the variety. So this is good because The reason why I'm saying that is because I've been starting to see lavender plants that they are putting out at the garden centers. I think this 3-pack was like $12.99, and some of the transplants that they're starting to put out, they've been around $5.98. So if you say around $18. But you can get 3 for about $12.99 at Costco, and they're once we clean it off, it pretty much looks like the same size. But we're gonna go ahead, kind of loosen these roots up a little bit, and we are going to get this potted. So excited to see this lavender grow. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.